How to book flight tickets with Caribbean Airlines. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to book flights using Caribbean Airlines. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Caribbean Airlines website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the menu itself on the dashboard, you can actually, book a flight rightly away. So as you can see, you can actually choose between car and hotel, but we will stick on flight because we need to book a flight. And right here you will choose what type of booking you want. It's if it, it's either a round trip or one way. It's up to you, and you will need to choose your, of course, your starting location, and of course on the location or where you want to go. And yeah, that's it. So after you choose all of that, of course you need to choose the date when you will take your flight, and yeah, etc, etc. That's it. So of course after you input all of that, you can also add a promo code if you have one, and of course a passenger. So you can add between these categories. You can add one adult, seniors, young adult, children, infant. It's up to you or what passenger you have. And after you search that, this page will appear and it will show you results based on what you input there. So as you can see, there's no available date for December 21 because I input December 21, but it will show me a date where the flight is available. So there's only December 25 flight available right here, and it also has a certain cost that I need to pay. So it's already 784 US dollars, and after that I can just click continue, and right here on the information section I can choose between light class, classic class, or business class, and it has their own prices. And after I choose my class, I can just click continue, and right here on the personal information tab I need to input my all the passengers information. I need to input that, the adult one, the children one, all the passengers that you add, you need to input their information right here. And after you're done all of that, just click continue, and you will be redirected to the payment section where you will need to pay your tickets. And yeah, that's it. And after you pay your tickets will be given online, and you can just show them to the airport. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can book a flight on Caribbean Airlines. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.